in the biscuits channel. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe called Monaco pizza. Let's get started. For this recipe we need some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, and some chopped capsicum, some chopped coriander leaves, and some chili flakes. And also we need some cheese, and some Monaco biscuits, and some salt, and some tomato ketchup. That's it. Let's get started. Now take one biscuit and put one cheese slice over it. Next, add the vegetable over it. Some onions, some tomatoes, and some capsicum, now sprinkle some salt over it. Add some chili flakes too. Put some tomato ketchup on this. This is my favorite time. Great cheese. My Monaco pizza is ready.